Hello everyone, today let's learn how to create a sound wave effect. There are various ways of human-computer interaction nowadays. Voice input and reception have become more convenient, and when we send voice messages, there is often a sound wave interface feedback effect. First, let's set up the widgets. We need a microphone icon and a sound wave. Select Icon Library, search for microphone, and then drag in the microphone icon. Then return to the default library. Drag in an ellipse to create a sound wave. Change its size and style, and change its border to orange. Name it sound wave. Then we add click interaction to the microphone icon. Select the microphone icon and add click interaction. Firstly, display the sound wave. Then change the size of the sound wave to 220 by 220 and set an animation for 200 milliseconds. Change the anchor point to the center. Then wait for 200 milliseconds and change the size of the sound wave to 110 by 110. Set sound wave hidden. Hide sound waves. Preview the prototype. When we click on the microphone icon, we can see the sound wave animation. If you like it, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.